Hi, St. Pete. This is beautiful. You did a great job. It looks really clear. It looks really pretty. However, you stopped at the edge here. This is all asphalt. You call it slag, but that is asphalt. This is all asphalt. And you come over here and you can see the solid asphalt. You see, you've tried to avoid your responsibility taking care of asphalt, but this is asphalt. And it goes, I bet you it's half of this, except they just redid the pipe. So see, yeah, this is still asphalt here too. And you can break it up, and you think it might be slag, but that's the asphalt. That's really solid. So, please finish the job and do what you're supposed to do.